80% of employees say they're mentally checked out at work, and almost none of their managers can tell. You've heard of quiet quitting, doing the bare minimum, on purpose, as a kind of protest. This isn't that. This is something colder. It's called quiet cracking, and it was named by workplace researchers at TalentLMS because the people going through it aren't coasting. They're still showing up, still hitting deadlines, still smiling in the stand-up. And underneath all of that, they're falling apart in complete silence. According to Gallup's most recent State of the Workplace report, a majority of the global workforce is disengaged, not lazy, disengaged. TalentLMS found that 1 in 5 employees experience this specific pattern frequently. Chronic burnout with zero visible symptoms, no outburst, no resignation letter, just a slow, invisible erosion that nobody schedules a meeting about. Here's why this happens, and it's not an accident. A disengaged employee who stays is, financially, better for a company than an empty seat. No severance, no recruiting cost, no 90-day ramp-up for a replacement. So the incentive on the other side of the table isn't to fix you. It's to keep you exactly where you are, present, quiet, and cheap. That's the trap, and it has a name too: job hugging. You don't leave, because leaving feels riskier than staying, even when staying is the thing that's cracking you. Same office, same title, totally different internal reality than the one your manager sees on a performance review. Globally, disengaged employees are estimated to cost the economy close to $9 trillion a year in lost productivity. $9 trillion. Not because people aren't working, because people are working while checked out, and checked out work is quietly, catastrophically less valuable than anyone tracks on a dashboard. If you're in tech, and especially if you're in cloud or infrastructure roles where the work is invisible until something breaks, this hits differently. Nobody sees your on-call nights. Nobody sees the incident you prevented. Invisible labor cracks faster because it gets recognized slower. Here's the only lever that's ever shown to interrupt this pattern: naming it out loud to one person, a manager, a mentor, anyone, before the crack becomes a break. Not eventually. This week, write this down. The crack is silent, but it isn't permanent. The moment you name it, it stops being invisible. And invisible is the only thing that was ever protecting the system, not you. Comment cracking if you've felt this and never had a name for it, and I'll break down exactly how to raise it without it costing you politically. Found this valuable? Watch our playlists for more on what's actually happening inside the modern workplace. Not the version everyone pretends is fine.